Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up SMS notifications for reminders on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Locate and click on the notification icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on the three dots next to the See All button. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. Step 5. Look for Reminders and click on it to open the settings. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to SMS to enable receiving notifications via text messages. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stay updated with important reminders on Facebook through SMS notifications. Never miss an event or appointment again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.